Come on, Lions.
He shoots, he scores!
Yes, we won. We won.
It was a great game, wasn't it?
It sure was. I love the Lions.
Me too. I'm Jim Pearson. It's a pleasure to meet you.
I'm Tony McKay. It's a pleasure to meet you too.
Do you live around here?
Yes, I do. I live about 20 minutes from here by subway. How about you?
Me too. I live about 5 minutes from here on foot.
Really? That's great. Do you come here often?
Yes. I always come here after work. How about you?
I sometimes come here on the weekend.
Where do you usually go?
I rarely go out. I'm quite busy with 3 children.
Wow, that's great. Does your family like soccer?
Yes, they love soccer. We often watch the games together at home.
Oh, that's nice.
Please wait a moment. My wife is calling.